Installing Windows 10 on a MacBook can be a bit complex, but I'll guide you through the process step by step. Here's a detailed guide. First, we discuss requirements. Number 1, MacBook. Ensure your MacBook meets the system requirements for Windows 10. Number 2, Windows 10 ISO file. Download the Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft's official website. Number 3, Bootcamp Assistant. This tool comes pre-installed on MacBooks. Number 4, a blank USB drive with at least 8 GB of free space. At number 5, a valid Windows 10 product key required. Step 1. Prepare your MacBook. First of all, ensure you have backed up all important files and data on your MacBook. Also ensure your MacBook is running the latest version of macOS. Very necessary thing is disable File Vault, go to System Preferences, Security, and Privacy File Vault and disable it. Create a bootable USB drive. Now you have to insert the blank USB drive into your MacBook. Now you open Disk Utility. For this, go to Applications, Utilities, Disk Utility. After this, erase the USB drive. For this, select the USB drive and click Erase to format it. After eraser, create a bootable USB drive. Use a tool like Etcher or Bootcamp Assistant to create a bootable USB drive with the Windows 10 ISO file. Step 3. Use Bootcamp Assistant. Open Bootcamp Assistant. For this, go to Applications, next Utilities, next Bootcamp Assistant. Select the bootable USB drive you created. After this, select the Windows 10 ISO file. Now, main thing is Bootcamp Assistant will partition your hard drive to create a separate partition for Windows 10. After this, click Continue to begin the installation process. You just listen carefully me now. Step 4. Install Windows 10. Restart your MacBook and immediately hold down the Option key. And select the bootable USB drive as the startup disk and follow the installation prompts. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Windows 10. Don't skip here, almost work is done. Now you have to enter your valid Windows 10 product key. After this, complete the installation process, which may take several minutes. Step 5. Install drivers and updates. Now you connect your MacBook to Wi-Fi and install any necessary drivers for your MacBook's hardware. Also update Windows 10 to the latest version. Step 6. Switch between macOS and Windows 10. After installing, restart your MacBook. Hold down the Option key immediately. Now you elect either macOS or Windows 10 as the startup disk. That's it. You should now have Windows 10 installed on your MacBook. Hope you like this video. If you want more videos, please subscribe the channel.